Okay, so here's fairly serious corrosion, but no big deal. It's easy to rebuild. It's just a triangle of metal to replace at the back here, this bit, and perhaps renew this whole sheet, not this year, perhaps next year. For now I might put small plates in here, just cut this out and separately cut a triangle out at the back, fit that in, and a small patch here. I'll cut it square with a grinder and then cut another piece identical to the hole size, pop it in, and then weld the patch in almost flush with the original metalwork. So there's very little finishing, just grind the weld down, and that's the repair done then. Likewise there, a long strip, but I think that will get body filler, this long stretch here, that will get body filler this year. But next year, perhaps this whole panel will get chopped out and build a brand new one.